Hey, spirit boosters, I'm back again. What am I doing back so soon? I came to share my little snack haul and some things that we needed to replace. I'm coming back to visit my spirit boosters. Hey y'all, what's up? Yeah, I'm still enjoying myself, pain and all. What can you do? Yeah, I took some aspirins. Did I get a back and booty rub? Yeah. Do I want some more rub? Of course. Who don't? Who don't like booty rubs, back rubs? Yeah. Well, let me say hello to the G babies, because, yeah, from now on, even the older ones, this is for y'all to have a history of your G mama while I'm out here. I'm trying to open my eyes wide, because I haven't got my glasses yet. I can't believe the schedule to make appointments to do things now. Oh my goodness. Once you get in the system, and your appointments are fine, but when you ain't in it, you gotta wait months and months. Jeez. I'm gonna go to I might check out Sam's Club, see what their glasses all about. Well, I don't have too much of nothing. I just got a little snack food, and after this share grocery haul, I'm gonna do a crafting haul. So to those who are visiting my crafting channel, next thing going up is a crafting haul. I know I was here yesterday. Most of my videos are the day I make them. It's the day I put them up. I don't have no well, the gardening I have made several videos for gardening, because I'm doing a lot of propagating, and I'm proud of it that I can get plants to grow from cuttings, leaf cuttings, stem cuttings. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. So, is there any pepper news since yesterday? It's just a different day. Like I said yesterday, same old-ish, but just a different day. What can they say? But the same old thing. Grocery prices sky high. Gas is ridiculously high, especially out here. And I don't know, one day I was supposed to tell y'all, did y'all know that, okay, I'm gonna say this because what else I'm gonna talk about? That, just the news in the street. Did you guys hear that about that monkeypox? Did y'all hear how they said that stuff is spread? They blaming it on gay men. That's like the HIV days. Why would they blame monkeypox being spread on gay men? Like, don't heterosexual people have sex and their bodily fluids get contaminated or whatever? Allegedly. I don't know what's that all about, but if you guys heard about that, let me know in the comments. I'm waiting to see who's gonna be mayor and governor out here in California. They haven't given us our checks. Everybody waiting on the check, and they thinking that it's probably because Newton bar been waiting on, you know, to become governor again. I guess that's what's happening, because my sister was saying she haven't received her checks. So hey, we're not getting our checks, so I guess they just waiting on to see who won, and all this money left over, spend it, give us these checks, doggone it. You guys heard about on Facebook, they are giving people $400 checks. Now, you got to check and see if it's in your state, but Facebook allegedly owes their, I guess, consumer of Facebook. You go on there, you got a channel, whatever. They have allegedly gotten into your information and shared certain stuff they weren't supposed to, allegedly. So they are paying out folks that were affected by this $400 checks. Y'all ain't heard about it? You better Google, Facebook, $400 checks and see if you or any of the lucky ones getting that check. Out here in Cali, we just waiting on our $800 gas checks and whatever else they want to give away. I don't care. Y'all should know already, I'm not a Republican. I am not a Republican, and I don't care for the Republicans. The Republicans, they not passing the civil rights laws, and that don't make sense to me. Folks, you know, allegedly gonna have trouble voting, allegedly. That don't make sense. They don't want folks to be given, they don't want people to pass out water or snacks while you waiting in these long voting lines. Now, I know we got Republicans on my channel, and we got some independents. We probably got people that don't even care, but I don't know why y'all don't care, because your lives are being, you know, conducted from these people that make the laws and the rules. So they say when you vote, you can change things, but that don't look like it's such a big deal. Sometime it works, sometime it don't, because now with allegedly, since I was watching the news, most of the Republicans, they don't. Now some of y'all might disagree, but that's okay, because you can say what you want to say, I'm going to say what I want to say. But the Republicans, once they do get in charge, they don't know how to make no laws. Only people know how to make laws are Democrats, and y'all hate that. Y'all can't stand that. But when the people ask y'all where your law, where your like the healthcare thing, y'all didn't have no healthcare. The Republicans didn't have no healthcare stuff. They just a hot mess. I don't care about y'all talking about me. That's why I'm on this channel, to be discussed. Discuss Miss JENITA. Discuss me. Talk about Miss JENITA. Talk about the clothes I wear, my age. Y'all already shouted out how old I am. So, you want to know? Go back 40, 50 videos. Find out. But I'm on here enjoying myself. I got so much work to do. I'm going to have to do my crafting haul on top of my stove, my regular place, because my crafting table is a hot mess again. And I will soon come back live on my, not live, but appear in my crafting video. But right now, I got work to do. I'm working on my cast for my next episode of the Reindeer Land story. And I'm already done several videos for my gardening channel, so I'm going to put up a new one today. Then I got to respond to my subscribers. And on my crafting channel, I got to finish responding to my subscribers. It's so beautiful. It's so lovely. I love it. I love it. Y'all want to know my next hobby? Let me tell y'all. Okay, y'all know I got 3. It's my grocery hauling, gardening, and the crafting, right? The 4th one is books. Okay. No, I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Let me talk about myself. But I do like books, and I can start me a channel and just read my day. Oh my goodness. Let me turn this thing around because my phone apparently wants to be charged. So I'm going to turn it around and share the haul. And then I'm going to have to continue my thoughts in another video. Okay? Hold on. Okay, Spirit Boosters. Here is my little small haul of some snacks and some replacement items. Like, okay, I got, and some stockpile stuff, some canned goods. I got 2 cans of diced potatoes, great value. And let me see, let me put all these fake glasses that I can barely see. They are 15-ounce cans, and I have a 15-ounce can of sauerkraut. I don't know about y'all, but I've been liking that since I was a child. Put that on my hot dog. I don't know why I like this something so bitter. Ugh. But I do. I'll put it on hot dogs. Okay, and then I got me some more Pacific mackerel. Make those mackerel patties. So that's That stuff right there is going in the stockpile. And let's see what else. I got 2 boxes of the Delamex white meat chicken taquitos. 2 boxes of those. Snack food, like I told y'all. I got a box of orange chicken. Y'all seen that in my last haul. And I got how many ounces is this? I got a 12-ounce can of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. I think I bought this one time before, but I don't know. I just had a taste of some cinnamon rolls. Make your own. I don't feel like making my own, but I do have all the ingredients. So I'm gonna have to try that one day. But I got to be careful with cinnamon, because cinnamon, for some reason, y'all, get me high. But let me hurry up. I got 2 cans of convenient biscuits, flaky layers. And then I got 2 cans of the Great Value biscuits, which I have never tried. They say 8 butter. They're butter flavored jumbo biscuits. Y'all ever had the Great Value biscuits? Let me know in the comments. Then I also got some, what size? This is a 9 1/4 ounce bag of chili Fritos, in case we want some chili Fritos one day. With some chili, can of chili. Great. Then we got 2 boxes of the Great Value fully cooked thick cut bacon. And last but not least, we have 2 replacement bags of the Great Value raw shrimp, peel devein, tail on medium. About 41 to 80, I guess. No, 30 to 45 pieces in there, they say. So this is my replacement stockpile snack haul. Y'all heard the message. You know the tips. Stay in survival mode, crisis mode, uppercut mode, granny, watch out for granny mode, fair plate mode, last plate mode, fair game mode. Did I say fair plate? Fair game mode. And you seriously stay in prepper mode, because you don't know what's gonna happen. The prepper news, I guess I shared it. Same old stuff, same old different day. You have to get your ash somewhere and collect whatever you're gonna collect. That's the prepper news. It's same stuff going on. They ain't talking about nothing new, nothing different, the same thing. What can they say? I can't believe how so many views some of those folks get, and they don't be saying no more than what I'm saying. But I guess they popular because why? They cute. Let me cut it out. Did I say that? I guess so. It came out. Okay, I got to go. Y'all take care. Be safe while y'all out in the street shopping, because you never know what gonna happen the way things are going. Oh, y'all gonna watch that thing tomorrow, Thursday. They say Fox News, which is not a news station. They say, I thought the people were journalists. Those people are not journalists on Fox News. Those are TV hosts. So no wonder they say stuff the way they say on their channel. But they say that they are not going to carry tomorrow's hearings about January 6th, when the people was trying to, trying to take over the Capitol and make Trump president again. But the Fox News, y'all can't watch it on that channel tomorrow. Y'all got to watch it on MSNBC or all the other channels they say gonna carry it, supposedly, except Fox. Allegedly, that's what I heard. But Fox News is not a news channel. They're not journalists. Well, the one I know, they say they're not journalists. Which y'all know about the Fox News. Anybody on here watch Fox News channel? Let me know in the comments section. Let me know. Y'all want to share if y'all Republicans? Because I'm telling you, I'm a Democrat. I'm a Democrat. I'm a Democrat. I want mine. I make this world go round like everybody else. Except some people don't want to do fair stuff. Some people disagree with that. I don't know why. But I guess people got to do what they got to do. Because apparently, that's how it works in Congress. They don't have to do what they don't want to do. Later. Discuss y'all comments in the comment section. Discuss y'all thoughts, views, ideas, opinions in the comment section. Later.